Welcome back to Urban Garden Republic, where sustainability meets urban living. Today, we're launching into an exciting journey with Sustainable Kitchen Garden Grow Your Own Culinary Essentials. Learn how to cultivate a garden that not only looks great, but also provides the herbs and vegetables you need for your everyday cooking. A kitchen garden is all about freshness and convenience. Imagine plucking fresh herbs right from your balcony or harvesting vegetables from your backyard for dinner. Growing your own food reduces your carbon footprint, ensures you eat healthy, and saves you money on groceries. Let's get started on building a garden that's both productive and sustainable. The key to a successful kitchen garden is choosing the right plants. Herbs like basil, cilantro, parsley, and mint are perfect for beginners and can grow in small spaces. Vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, and radishes offer high yields and are easy to grow. Add color and spice with edible flowers like nasturtiums and marigolds, which are also great for pest control. Select plants that you commonly use in cooking to make your garden both practical and delightful. Design your garden for ease and efficiency. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Balconies, patios, or small backyard sections are ideal. Use pots, raised beds, or vertical gardens if space is limited. Ensure they have good drainage. Plant herbs and flowers that naturally repel pests next to your vegetables to enhance growth and flavor. Integrate sustainable practices into your kitchen garden. Create your own compost from kitchen scraps to enrich your soil naturally. Install a drip irrigation system or collect rainwater to minimize water use. Use organic methods like neem oil or introduce beneficial insects instead of chemical pesticides. Regular care ensures your garden remains healthy and productive. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially for container plants. Regularly trim herbs to encourage growth. Harvest vegetables as they mature to stimulate further production. Rotate crops and refresh the soil between seasons to prevent nutrient depletion and disease buildup. There you have it, a sustainable kitchen garden that brings fresh, flavorful ingredients right to your plate. Thank you for joining us at Urban Garden Republic. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks, and share your own kitchen garden experiences in the comments. Happy gardening and enjoy your harvests!